Welcome, Saogong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever felt like you're trying to get into the world's most exclusive club, but there's a whole wall of doors, not just one? That's the AI access lock and puzzle we're cracking today. Forget simple bans, it's a complex stack of restrictions. So, can these fancy attachment technologies actually help us get through this wall? The answer is a nuanced yes. Think of them as your super smart bouncers and security scanners. They can provide crystal clear white box audits, enable secure confidential exchanges, and even prove you're not sneaking data through secret channels. But here's the catch, they're not magic wands. They can't magically appear with GPUs or legally bypass existing rules. Their real power lies in transforming how you operate, making your entire process transparent, traceable, and compliant. It's about proving you're trustworthy, not tricking the system. Let's break down this wall, the AI access stack. It's not just one layer but eight. From your basic login details and direct API access, layers 1 to 2, high risk, direct access to US models is likely blocked, down to the heavy stuff like cloud compute, model weights, sensitive data, and international collaboration, layers 3 to 8. Each layer has its own set of locks and keys. The key takeaway? Don't try to pick every lock with the same tool. Use legal entity structures, leverage domestic resources, and build robust auditing and secure collaboration frameworks. It's about building a resilient bridge over the gaps, not finding a single hidden key. Okay, so how do we build that resilient bridge? Enter the DEEC AI Access Continuity Stack. Think of it as a smart traffic control system for your AI work. AC0 sets the rules. AC1 routes your requests intelligently, using local or compliant overseas options if needed. AC2 ensures you can still work offline if external access fails. AC3 generates the audit trail, your passport proving compliance. AC4 handles sensitive data exchange securely. And AC5 controls how partner data feeds into training, preventing undeclared leaks. It's a loop. Request comes in, policy checks, model runs, audit is generated, evidence is packaged. Clean, controlled, and compliant. Here's the final twist, the real head scratcher. The biggest risk isn't necessarily the technology itself, but how people perceive it. Words like confidential or zero dark channel, while technically accurate for certain aspects, scream, something fishy is going on. Regulators, clients, investors, they'll immediately think, are they hiding data? Bypassing rules? So the challenge is communication. You need to frame your high assurance, controlled, and minimal disclosure solutions in a way that builds trust, not suspicion. Shift from being seen as someone desperately seeking access to being recognized as a provider of reliable, compliant AI governance. That's the game changer.